There are specific rules to follow when naming chemical compounds. But first, let's look at the periodic table. More than 2/3 of elements are metals. These are the highly reactive metals. These are the transition metals, the post-transition metals, and these here are the semi-metals. These are the nonmetals. Hydrogen is a nonmetal that is located on the left side of the periodic table. Once you can identify if an element is a metal or nonmetal, you can identify if a compound is covalent or ionic. A covalent compound is formed when two nonmetals combine. And an ionic compound is formed when a metal reacts with a nonmetal. The rules for naming ionic and covalent compounds are different. So, it's important that you learn to determine from the periodic table whether your compound is made of a metal and nonmetal, or is just two nonmetals.